Hi guys, my name is John Dix. I'm living in Colombia and I'm gonna teach you today how to perform important editing tasks on your DAW. I chose this assignment because it's been a year from now that I started recording on GarageBand and I started from scratch, and most of the things that I learned before this class, I learned it from messing around with the DAW, and yeah, hopefully this lesson will be helpful for you guys, and especially the ones that are just starting to record things on their own. These are the following tasks that we're going to learn today: trimming, separating, crossfading, merging, grid functions like turning it on and off the grid, cycling, which would be to repeat a certain section of a region or the song itself, markers, zooming in and out, and naming and coloring. If you want to trim a region, you must first select the region that you want to get trimmed, and by placing the mouse over the edge, you can drag this edge to the desired place. To separate a region, you must first select it, then look for this scissor icon on the left, click on it, you get a zoomed in view of the region, and by double clicking on the part when you want to separate it, it'll separate the region into two different ones. If I want to get these two regions merged again, it's just a matter of selecting both of the regions and selecting these options under Edit, Join Regions. And there you go. There isn't a crossfading function on GarageBand, so if you want to crossfade, you must do it manually by manipulating the amplitude of each track. So to do that, you must click on this icon over here, and you'll get this yellow line that represents the amplitude of the track, and by clicking over it, you'll get these dots that let you manipulate the amplitude by dragging it up or down as you want it to do. So the line going down is a fade out, and the line going up, it's a fade in. And there you go. You have a crossfade between two regions. To turn the grid on and off, you must go over Edit, and here you'll see the function of snapping to grid. If you click on it, you have the grid on, and you can notice by the check mark that's standing right next to it. And if you turn it off, you'll see that grid now it's off, and you can move your regions freely around. You can create a cycle by clicking on this icon over here. If you click it, you'll see this yellow thing appears, and this one you can move it around if you want, or you can change the size just as you trim a region. Or another option that you have is just going over the bars and selecting the measurement that you want to have cycled. To create a marker, you must go over a track and click on Show Arrangement Track, and here you'll see that this appears, and if you click on this, you'll get this marker over here. You can choose between these options, or you can name it as you want. To zoom in or out, the first thing you want to do is select the thing that you want to get a closer look at. So let's say I want to go here, and you can zoom in by sliding this thing at the right corner to the right, or you can do it by using the computer gestures, in this case the Mac gesture of pinching in and out, and you see that you can zoom in or zoom out easily. You can rename either tracks or regions by doing a right click over it, and you'll see this option appears, rename regions, and then you can put a intro, for example, intro guitar, or you can rename the track itself. Let's do this one, and you get bass. Colors in GarageBand depend on the type of track that you record. If you have a simple audio track, it would be blue. Drum tracks are yellow, and other tracks like keyboards are green. Those were the important editing tasks that you can perform on a DAW. specifically on GarageBand. I hope that this was entertaining and helpful. See you next time.